So we'll be talking about number-based system. So number-based system is just the system of naming numbers, like the way we have different tribes. So each tribe has a particular way they give names to their children. So we can liken the number-based system to that system too. Like the Yorubas, there is a way they call their children. Once we hear a particular name, the way it sounds, you know that oh, this one is Yoruba. Or once we hear maybe Ogene, like my name now, you know that oh, that is Yoruba. So each tribe have a particular way they call or they name their children. So also for number-based system. So we have different types of number-based, and each of them they have their particular names. Like for instance, the base two numbers are called binary numbers. Base 10 numbers are called denary numbers. We have base 8, which is octal numbers. We have 11, base 12, base 3, and all of that. So each of them, we have a specific name that they are called. And also, if you are changing from a particular, that is, you are converting to a particular base. For instance, you are asked to convert a particular number to base 3. You will use 3 to divide that particular number. That is, if it's base 10, you use 3 to divide it. If you are converting to base 4, use 4 to divide. And take note, in base 2, you only have two numbers. That is why it's called base 2 in the first place. Just two numbers, which is 0 and 1. And in base 3, we have three numbers, which is 0, 1, and 2. So just like that. So which means in base 2, we don't have 2. In base 3, we don't have 3. In base 4, we don't have 4. In base 5, we don't have 5. Just like that. So you get. Now, let's start from base 2. So if we are to convert to base 2, how do we convert numbers to base 2? You just simply divide the number by 2. That is, if you are converting from base 10 to base 2, you use 2 to divide the number. So for instance, let's say we have convert 13 base 10 to a binary number. Now, this is 13 in base 10. We are asked to convert 13 in base 10 to a binary number, which is to base 2. So what we do, we are just going to use 2 to divide 13. And what we have is our answer in base 2. So let's divide. So this is 13 and this is 2. So 2 into 13 give us 6 remainder 1. So that is 6. Then you put remainder 1. Then you divide again. 2 in 6 is 3. And there's no remainder. So that is remainder 0. There's no remainder. So we put 0. Then 2 in 3 is 1. Remainder 1. So 1 remainder 1. Then 2 in 1 is 2 cannot divide 1. So which means 0 and the 1 is remaining. So that is 0 remainder 1. So until you get 0 here, you must not stop. So you have to continue until you have the final 0. So once you get the final 0, you stop there. And when you are reading it, you read upward. That is from down up. So you read upward. So if we are reading this, our answers upward, this will give us 1, 1, 0, 1, base 2. So this is this number in base 2.